Hey, welcome to another Creative Gearhead training session. In this training session you'll learn how to group objects together and then how to animate those grouped objects. To group objects together, first you create your objects that you want to group. I'm going to create a rectangle and color it black, and then I'm going to create a second rectangle and color it green. When you have created your objects that you want to group, you then want to position them exactly as you want them to be when they are grouped. Then you want to select your objects, click Draw, and click Group. And now you've grouped the two objects together. See how I can't select one of them individually anymore. Now let's say that I made a mistake and I didn't want to group those objects. I can quickly and easily undo this. You select your grouped object, click Draw, and then click Ungroup. Now the objects are ungrouped. But we want to also learn how to animate grouped objects. So you select both your objects again, click Draw. You can either click Regroup or Group. It really doesn't make a difference. To animate, you select your grouped object, right click, and click Custom Animation. If it's not already open, it'll open up the Custom Animation window. From this point you click Add Effect, Entrance, and then you can choose from one of the effects here, but I prefer to use More Effects. This gives you all of PowerPoint's animations that you can choose from. And then when you click on it, it'll give you a preview of the animation over here. I like the fly in animation. Then you click OK. To adjust your parameters, you can either right click and adjust when the animation occurs, or click Effect Options. Or you can double click and it brings up the dialog box. In this tab you can adjust some of the parameters for the fly in animation. You can adjust when it has a smooth in or a smooth start. That means that for smooth in, the animation will start fast and then slow right at the end, so it has a very nice transition. Then you can control the direction, whether it'll fly in from the bottom of the PowerPoint, from the right, from the bottom right, and so on. I'm going to choose from the left. In the timing tab, you can control what starts the animation, whether the click of your mouse, whether it will run with the previous animation or after the previous animation. The difference between with previous and after previous is that when you use with previous, when an animation before it starts, it'll start at the exact same time that animation does. When you use after previous, it'll wait until the animation before it has completely finished running to start running. I'm going to choose after previous. And then you can, with the delay option, you can control how many seconds or fractions of a second it'll delay your animation. That can be useful for coordinating different animation effects at times. With speed, you can go through and determine how long it takes for the animation to actually occur. I'm going to choose 2 seconds. And then you can select it to continually repeat until the end of slide or until the next click and so on here, or if you want to repeat 4 times, you can select that, and also that'll rewind when done playing. Click OK, and then you click play, and you can see your animation right there. It's very easy to group and ungroup objects. It's also easy to animate them. If you need more information on how to animate objects in PowerPoint, just visit our website, creativegearhead.com, for more free training videos. And please keep in mind that all PowerPoint templates are only $1.99. Thanks.